Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today is February 17th, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about Luokung Technology. The ticker symbol is Lkco. Before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Also, I created a Patreon page where like-minded people can talk about stocks, options, anything and everything in between. I will also be sharing my trades on there as well. And it's only 33 cents a day. There's only a few people in there so far, and we just love to talk about stocks and trying to grow our portfolio and try to achieve financial freedom. So if you guys are interested, I will post my link down below. Today, Luokung is down 27%. Let's just take a look at the 1 month daily chart. So it started to pick up momentum back early February. It was just around 65 cents, and then it broke this resistance of $1, and then it went to $2. And yesterday it went to a high of 386. So let's see why it's down today. They announced that it has entered into a securities purchase agreement with certain institutional investors for a registered direct offering of $100 million of ordinary shares at a price of $2.08. The price was set at market price in accordance with the rules of the Nasdaq. The company will issue a total of 48 million shares to the institutional investors, and the net proceeds from this offering will be used for working capital and general corporate purposes, and it's expected to close on February 19. So this wasn't their only stock offering. They just had one recently, and this was closed yesterday. So yesterday they announced that it has closed a registered direct offering with certain institutional investors for $15 million of ordinary shares at a price of 88 cents. The company issued a total of 16 million shares and warrants for the purchase of up to 8 million ordinary shares at an exercise price of $1.11 per share. So the closing of the stock offering caused the stock to go up, but then today they did another offering which caused the stock to go down. But these stock offerings aren't always a bad thing because companies are using this money to expand their company. It's a good article. It says 5 things to know about Luokung Technology. Luokung Technology is a company dedicated to spatial temporal data services. It operates in China under its 2 major brands, Luokung and Super Engine. This has its offering interactive location-based services in the country. The company does so with satellite and UAV remote sensing image data, HD map, 2D and 3D internet map, real-time trajectory, Internet of Things, industrial stream data. And some of the company's recent acquisitions include Super Engine in August of 2018, BotBrain AI in May of 2019, and EMG in August of 2019. Let's take a look at some other news that they had released. So this was early February. They announced that its previously announced acquisition candidate, eMapgo Technologies and Beijing New Energy Automobile, have agreed to collaborate on the development of autonomous driving projects for BAIC BJEV's electric vehicles. EMG recently worked with BAIC BJEV to provide HD map services and autonomous valet parking for BAIC new energy vehicles. The 2 parties will cooperate in depth on L3 to L4 autonomous driving related projects. And then back in December, they had signed an agreement with Guangdong Eating Information Technology, and the 2 parties will cooperate to provide location-based commercial marketing services for more than 90,000 gas stations across China. Relying on the ecological cooperation system between Eating and gas stations and the Luokung Map Open platform, this cooperation enables each gas station to manage its own features on the map, including but not limited to personalized landmarks, personalized navigation routes, real-time map updates, and display of marketing information for gas-related and non-gas-related products on the site. with the capability of completing all relevant transactions on the map, and it enables gas station as an example of my position that I operate in my way. This company does have a lot of growth potential, and this stock can easily go to $10 by the end of this year. Yesterday, it went up to $3.86, and if the momentum continues, this can easily go back up to $3.86 again. And so that's why I wanted to buy shares of Luokung Technology. But there's certain brokerages that only allows you to trade this. I am not allowed to trade on Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. It's what I'm using right now. They don't allow it on Webull. I tried earlier, but they do allow on Robinhood. So I was able to buy some shares on there. So Luokung Technology, I do have 1,000 shares. With an average price of $207, I am currently up $71. I am planning to hold this long term. And what I'm going to do now is buy 50 more shares just because I am very bullish on this stock. And if we take a look, the volume is much higher than the average. There's really not much information on here. It was founded in 2001 and they do have 182 employees. So I just want to buy 50 shares right now. We're going to go ahead and buy. And I'm just going to go ahead and do market order. This will cost me $100. It's complete. Let's see if it does get filled. It did get filled. Now my average is 2.8, which is fine. I will go ahead and continue to add on this. Unfortunately, they don't have any options. You can only buy shares or sell shares. So thank you so much for watching. And if you are bullish on Luokung, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know what your thoughts on Luokung is. And also, do consider the Patreon page. I just want to be able to help people grow their portfolios and achieve financial freedom together. Thanks a lot. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.